Hello, welcome to Lecture 10, the first of a series of lectures in which I will guide you through the process of designing our cool game, GoHippoGo. In this first lecture, we will quickly have a look at the graphical stuff of our game, menus, tractors and so on, in Photoshop. First of all, right-click on your Today Game Tutorial folder and change its name to GoHippoGo. Double-click it, and now create a new folder inside it called Images, inside which we will put all of our graphical stuff. Okay, all of those Photoshop files we will be creating. Fine. So I have created all of those Photoshop menus, but I will upload all of them to the dummy course, so don't worry. Okay. Before going on watching this lecture, I really encourage you to pause this video and have a read over this cool web page. Okay, you will come at the conclusion that the best size of your game background is 2280 pixels width by 1440 pixels height. Okay, so pause the video and have a look over this cool web page. Okay, I'm showing it here. It's a lot of content here, and we have no time enough to cover this in this video. Okay, this is the address of the web page, so have a look at it. Nice. We'll start off with the main menu. Okay, we of course created it with a size of 2280 pixels and 1440 pixels height. Okay. As you can see here, it is very similar to the sketch we made before. GoHippoGo here, the upper part of the canvas. Then under it there is the hippo face, and then 4 buttons: thanks, play, exit, and how to play buttons. You can easily do that if you have some Photoshop skills. Okay. Anyway, those are just layers. Okay, create them. That's all. You can create your own. It's not very hard to do. So here we have our main menu. So I will save it now to our GoHippoGo images as main menu. Okay, I will save it. Now go to the special thanks menu. Your special thanks menu may look like this. Okay, may look something similar like this. Here I included my own photograph. It is not necessary to do that, but I wanted to. It's up to you to include your own image here. Okay, and then my special thanks. Okay, you can read it. Well, you can write here your own stuff. Okay, now, well, I will save this file first. Save us, and then go to here, special thanks menu. Fine. Now, how to play menu. There are basically 7 simple rules in the game. Okay, you can here add or delete some of the rules if you want to. Okay, but those are the rules we're going to use in the designing of our game. Okay. So I will save it as GoHippoGo images and how to play. Fine. Now we're going to design the game screen. Okay, the game screen. So create a new layer here. Right click it and name it Sky. We'll be creating a nice gradient here using the gradient. The green tool, and here I selected this cool blue color, but you can select your own. Okay, I just thought this one was okay, and then you create here a blue color and white color here, right? Okay, sorry. Okay, that's it. Whoops, what happened now? Okay, so now within your sky layer, create a gradient. Okay, Well, not this, maybe something more like this. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's looking good. We select now the elliptical marquee tool to create our hills here at the bottom of the screen, as we did in the sketch in lecture 9. So create a new layer and name it, right click it, name it hills. Okay, and create some hills here. Okay, with the elliptical marquee tool. With your shift key pressed, you can create complex shapes and simulate the hills. Okay, some hills, maybe something like this. Well, it's up to you. You can create your own shapes. Fine, I think that's okay. Okay, well, maybe here. Fine. Okay, so now go to light, fill, and select your own color. Okay, maybe some cool green color like this. Fine, that's it. Now right click it and add a strike to it. Okay, maybe with some color, some dark green color, maybe something like this, with 5 pixels. Hey, maybe. Okay, this is looking good, isn't it? You can create your own shapes here. It really depends on your Photoshop skills. Okay, fine. Now we're creating the clouds. For that, I recommend you have a look at this designing a cartoon cloud display image webpage. Okay, here you will go through the process of creating your own cartoon cloud. Go to Photoshop. I have already created it, so I will go to my own folder. Fine, I have it here. Okay, my cloud. So I will copy it and paste it in here. Okay, and now, okay, I will also copy all of its layer styles. Right click and I will paste the layer styles. Fine, that's it. I will make it a little bigger, maybe something like this. Okay, I think this looks fine. Okay, you can name this layer cloud 1. You can duplicate it, name it cloud 2. Finally duplicate it again and name it cloud 3. Maybe you will want to place them at some random positions, given the real feeling that they are real clouds. Okay, for example, you can place it here, and maybe, well, the position is up to you. Okay, it really doesn't matter, as they want to interact with your player movement. It's just for decoration purposes. So I think that's it. That's looking good for our stage. Okay, so we'll save it in GoHippoGos images folder, and we'll name it for example, play menu, play background, well, background, just background. That's fine. We save it. That's it. We've just created our game screen we will be using in our game. Now go to the pause menu. Whenever the user pauses the game, this is the menu showing up. Okay, game paused, and then you can retry or you can go home. Okay, and if the user touches on these letters, game paused, then it will go back to the game. That is, it will resume the game. Okay, you can really create your own menu style. It doesn't matter. Okay. And now the pause button. Okay, this is really easy to do with with this tool, okay? Rectangular marquee tool. Okay, look like you want. Then the game over menu. The font I'm using here for game over is this Screen Gem. Okay, Screen Gem. You can download it. Okay, so and then here I created a cool effect like if our hippo was defeated. Okay, with some blue at the background, some purple eyes. Well, the decoration is up to you. Okay. And here is some text, some challenging text. You better win next time. Okay. Well, you can do this the way you want. Okay. And then the retry button and the go home button. Here we'll be showing the highest score the user has reached and the current score. Okay. And so we created a new record text here. So whenever the user beats his record, then this new record text will be showing up here. Okay, new record. That's it. Fine. Now the bubble. Okay, I don't know if you can see it here in the video, but this is some sort of bubble. Okay, can you see it? Okay. Anyway, I will upload all of those Photoshop files to the Udemy course, so don't be worried. Finally, the GoHippoGo. Okay, the GoHippoGo face. That it will be our main tractor. Okay. Well, this is the cloud. Fine. So that's it for this lecture. Download all of the Photoshop files I uploaded to your Udemy course. It would be better for you to create your custom Photoshop files. Okay, your custom menus and so on. I don't mind if you download them and use them in your own game. Okay, so that's all for this lecture. So see you in the next lecture.